Hello, it is May 6th, 2020, and this is the Tesla Talker. Now, not even a week after Elon claimed that Tesla stock was too expensive, the company's market value reached the target goal of $100 billion over a 6-month period beginning this week. Now, there were rumors as to whether or not Elon was purposely trying to crash the Tesla stock to prevent his expensive payout that he just got. But again, these are just rumors, but it really wouldn't be far from the Elon that we all know. Now, this is a more recent news article I found. It looks like Tesla is preparing to partially reopen the Fremont factory. If they do this, it could potentially be a violation of the California state rules with the whole cerveza sickness that's going on right now. Governor Gavin Newsom said that some businesses would reopen early, but Tesla isn't on that list. I'll keep an eye on this over the week for any details that emerge, but an early start to production could help to be really useful to Tesla as long as it's done in a very safe manner. Now, the last thing I wanted to talk about is something that I myself and many Tesla fans and investors have been awaiting for anxiously, and that is Battery Investor Day. Elon has been suspiciously quiet on these developments, and probably for a good reason. Doesn't want to leak those things out too early. But there have been many speculations on what we can expect from dry electro technology with his acquisition of Maxwell Technologies last year. Now, I still don't think the average consumer realizes how big that acquisition is, because whatever it is that they have been working on and they announce, it's gonna have to be ready to go with their with their current vehicles. So if this battery does reduce weight or increase range or both, Tesla could have an insanely extreme advantage on the competition than they already do now. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll be back here on a regular basis with your bite-sized Tesla news. If you like this video and you want to see more, click like and subscribe, and that'll help me out. Thanks, and stay healthy. Bye-bye.